guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do this kind of bronzy, glowy summer look. I was inspired by Desi Perkins' video. She did a look kind of recreating the Kylie summer campaign. And so if you guys are interested in seeing how to achieve this bronzy summer look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Colourpop Sol Palette for this tutorial because it has a lot of really good, nice like summer bronzy colors right here. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you guys can see better. Alright, so first I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Alright, so next we're going to go into this shade right here. And I'm just going to put that into the crease. And I'm just going to pack that on first and then blend it out. And I'm going to go back in with the first shade just on top to blend that out a little bit. Alright, so next we're going to go into this shade right here. It's just a little bit of a deeper brown. And I'm using the Morphe M506 brush because it's a bit more precise. And we want that kind of detailing right into the crease. And since we are doing kind of a halo eye, I'm bringing that towards the inner corner. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and carve out the crease for the halo eye look. If you don't carve out the crease, it's kind of like, I used to not do that, and then when you apply the glitter shade or the shimmer shade right on top, it kind of just gets lost in the other shadows. So if you carve out that kind of cut crease, then it makes it a cleaner look. And we're just going to carve out the center, not the whole lid. Okay, so now we're going to go into this bronzy shade right here. It is called B plus B. And I'm just going to pack that right into where I cut that crease. And I'm going to go on top with this shade right here. I know it's broken. My nail like dug into it. It was a whole mess. But I'm just going to put that right on top. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into this brown right here and just kind of define that outer V and the inner corner so that the halo eye is a bit more defined. Okay, so the camera wasn't recording, but I went into the Mar palette and I used this brown right here just to deepen out the outer V and the inner corner. Alright, so now I'm just going to use this shade right here and just kind of use that as a highlight, although it is more on the yellow side, but since we are going for a bronzy look, it works. Alright, so now I'm just going to do the lower lash line. I'm just going to use kind of the same colors that I used on the lid. Alright, so now I'm done with that. I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and lashes and all that off camera. If you guys don't know how to do those things, then I do have videos up on that, so I will link them down below. I have a video on eyeliner and how to apply false lashes, so you guys can check that out and I'll be right back. Alright, so my lashes are done and I'm wearing the Embe lashes in the style Bali. I really love these. They are so fluttery and wispy and they just like have like more of a natural feel. They kind of remind me of Lily Lashes Miami and they're so affordable. I actually have a code with them. It's Deanna 11 and if you use it, you guys can get your first month of subscription for free. And I really recommend it, guys. You get 2 lashes every month and you get different styles. And this is the style I got this month and along with another one. But I really love these because they just give me like a natural like fluffy look, which is really what I love and look for in lashes. And you don't feel like you're wearing them, so they're really like natural and they're super luxury lashes for a really affordable price. So I would definitely recommend getting these. Alright, so now moving on to bronzer. I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit. Does anybody else use the brush that it comes with? Because I actually really like it. So I use it every now and then. Just me? I don't know. Alright, so now moving on to blush, we're going to be using the Milani Luminoso blush. Alright, so now moving on to highlight. Can you guys guess what I'm using? Can you? What do you think? Amrezy highlighter, of course. So we're gonna use this. Since we're going for a bronzy look, I'm really gonna go like extra on the highlights, so just don't mind me. I just love that. Like every time I put it on, I just, wow. Stunning. You guys like using brushes like this or fan brushes? Because I like these better. I don't know. Alright, so now moving on to lips. I have 3 options here. I don't know which one to go for. So they're all the Colourpop Lippie sticks. I have the shade Topless, Bootie, and Button. So this is Topless. It's kind of like a corally color. Bootie is more of like a red coral. And then Button is kind of like a peachy, like pink. I don't know. Let's try. Here, I'll do swatches and then we'll see. Okay, so this is Topless. So it's like, I kind of like that. It's like really orangey. And then Bootie. Ooh, that's pretty. And Button. Maybe I'll mix a few. What do you guys think? I'm kind of feeling topless. And I also look topless, but I'm not. I swear I'm wearing a top. Why do I keep doing that? Okay. Topless. Let's try it. Let's try it. And we'll see how it goes. I really love this formula. Like, I wish there were a lot more colors, like a million different colors, because I love, well, they already have a lot, I know, but like, I just love this formula. They just feel amazing. I don't know, I feel like it's a little bright. I feel like a duck or something. Yeah, that's a little bright for me. Let's try Bootie on top. I kind of like this combo better because this kind of like mutes that like really orangey color. I like it. I like it. I don't really wear a lot of bright colors. I used to, like last summer I was just like living for like a bright coral, bright red lip. I like it. What do you guys think? Too much? I don't know. Alright, so the last step, I'm just going to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to be using the Skindinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. Guys, I love, love, love this step. I forgot to mention it in my last video that I used this when I was wearing like the minimal makeup, sweat-proof makeup. And this was like a big factor in that because it did not budge. And I'm pretty sure it's thanks to this because I love this stuff. It just, my makeup does not move, especially like with my oily skin. I live. So, you know, just like take a quick shower in this stuff and you're good to go. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I really like how this look turned out. Just got really bronzy, nice summer vibes. I really, really like it. Hopefully you guys liked it as well. And if you did, make sure to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe because I will be having a giveaway very, very, very soon. And I'll see you guys next time. Just to deepen up that.